In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flyer in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to go from a blank screen to a finished flyer that's ready to share online or send to the printer. First, log into your Canva account. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand panel and click on the Create button. A pop-up window will appear. At the top of this window, you'll see a search bar. Type flyer into that search bar. Canva will show you different flyer options with various sizes and orientations, like portrait or landscape. Choose the size and orientation that best fits your needs, and Canva will open that design in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll notice a templates panel already open on the left side. For this walkthrough, we'll use one of these ready-made templates to make things faster and easier. At the top of the templates panel, there's another search field. You can use this to search for a specific flyer style or theme, like event, sale, or business. Take a moment to scroll through the options. When you see a template you like, simply click it, and it will automatically appear on your canvas in the center of the screen. Now it's time to customize the content of your template so it fits your message. Start with the text. Click on any existing text box in the flyer. When it's selected, a toolbar will appear at the top of the screen where you can change the font, size, color, alignment, and more. Double-click inside the text box to replace the placeholder text with your own message, such as your event title, date, and key details. If you want to add extra visual interest, you can use elements. On the left panel, go to the Elements section to browse shapes, graphics, icons, frames, photos, and grids. Click anything you'd like to add it to your flyer, then drag, resize, and rotate it until it looks right. To add your own images, open the Uploads tab on the left. You can drag and drop photos from your computer or select existing uploads, then place them into your design. Finally, make sure your flyer includes a clear call to action. This could be a website address, contact details, or a QR code. You can generate a custom QR code from the app's menu and drop it straight into your layout. When you're happy with the design, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. For digital use, download your flyer as a PNG or JPG file. For professional printing, select PDF print and then click Download. And that's it. You've created a flyer in Canva, ready to share or print.